Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Logitech MK345 wireless keyboard with mouse combination for Windows, Linux and Chrome OS. And of course you can use this Logitech wireless keyboard on or with your PlayStation 4. I tried it and it works. So, the durability with a robust spill-proof design, anti-fading treatment, and sturdy till, the MK235 wireless keyboard and mouse combo is built to last. Oh yeah! Simplicity. The full-size keyboard features a standard number pad and 15 shortcut keys, while the optical mouse is equipped with movement detection technology for precision control. Plug and play. The tiny USB receiver, as seen in the video, included provides a reliable wireless connection up to 10 meters. This is 33 feet away, with no need for pairing or software installation to use this keyboard and mouse combination. And this is right, you only have to get in the batteries as seen and you can start. Only one thing is you have to make the switch on the ground of your mouse to on, and then job's done, ready to game. Extended battery up to 3 years for the keyboard and 1 year for the mouse, depending on use. This is a long time of using by only one a battery inside the mouse and 2 AAA batteries inside the keyboard. This is awesome, really awesome. And there is a killer feature inside at the mouse. The mouse can store the USB wireless connector. This is nice if you're going on travel. The item weight is 72.6 grams. And the product dimensions are 5 to 14.5 to 55 centimeters. And the batteries are 2 AAA batteries required. And it is single colored. It needs another battery, only a AA battery and 2 AAA batteries. This is all what you need. You can use reloading batteries for this, of course, or you use standard batteries. Standard batteries are a little bit stronger and hold a long time than the accumulations. And there is the keyboard is a standard keyboard in this Weathering Q words tastature layout, keyboard layout, Q words. That means on the left side it's Q, then come WERTZ in England and other different countries. You can QWERTY keyboards available. The functions are the same. These 2 times QWERTY or Q words, only a couple of keys are swapped, okay? And that it is. Nice quality. It is a cheap battery. That means you do not have the power of quality. It's a low price, Logitech, and you feel it. If you push the buttons, you can feel it's a little bit not so the overburning quality, really. But now let's get the 2 AAA batteries inside the keyboard, and then you are ready to use both the keyboard and of course the mouse. And think about the keyboard is always on, but this is okay. And the mouse you have to switch on, and then it's ready to game, ready to play. Only plug in and have fun with your stuff. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.